Hey everybody, it's the Silver Chair Stacker with the focus that just won't stay. All right, but that's okay because, geez, you're gonna have to deal with it. This is what it's like to have MS, man, in and out of focus, in and out of balance, everything. But anyway, here we are. Today was payday. So I got my disability check, and maybe against my better judgment, I went to the bullion store this morning. It snowed really bad last night, and so getting there was insane. Like, it's usually about a half an hour ride on my scooter. This morning it took me a good 45 minutes. Half of the sidewalks weren't plowed or shoveled. It was terrible. But I got there. Yes, I did. And when I was in there, I was talking to the owner of Durham Precious Metal. And we were talking and talking. And it's the first time we've had a really good conversation. And I asked him, hey, next time I come in, can I bring a camera and record it and we can talk? And he's like, yeah, absolutely. He goes, I do little seminars for people anyway. And I'm like, all right. So now I'm in with my bullion dealer, which was nice. Get this one. I did not expect this. My bill was, I think it was $444. And I only had 440. And the guy gave me $4 off. I was shocked. Happy though. I don't even remember his name. But we'll figure that out for next time. So I made the purchase, everything, and then coming home, I stopped at a few places, and then I look down as I'm on my way home, and I've got 2 power bars left, and that's it. And I'm like, oh, that's not good. But we got home. It didn't die. It could have, but it didn't. If it had have, I don't know what I would have done. If I had got stuck in the snow on the sidewalk, I don't know what I would have done. But I didn't get stuck, and here I am. So this is what I would have done. Here we are. I hope you like my compass round right there. That was a new one. I don't usually buy those ones. But I'm getting sick of maples and Britannias and buffaloes. So that's what I bought. I bought six compass rounds and 5 maples. And that's it. And now my stack is sitting at, oh, what is it? 48 ounces. Pretty good. Anyway, this is the Silver Chair Stacker. Yeah. Maybe.